What's going on, guys? Today I will show you how to get thousands of high quality real estate leads with SMS plus AI. We are using Twilio for SMS and BotPress for AI. Those are the tools that we are using, but you can use any tools for SMS messages and artificial intelligence. So let's start. Today's AI can replace humans in real estate lead nurturing and qualifying, amongst other things. AI can take a list of seller phone numbers, engage into human like SMS conversation with those sellers, and get all necessary information about each seller and sale. So, for example, you have a list of phone numbers of potential sellers. You feed that into the AI, and it magically converts that into a list, a table of nurtured leads. So this is an example. We have name of the lead, we have a selling yes no, time frame of the sale in the next 1 to 3 months, for example, description of the property, this is roofing, this that, plumbing, etc., electrical, and then price of the property the seller is asking for. So this was extracted by the AI with this like simple SMS conversation that it can hold with sellers. Currently we are still testing this. We are not testing this with real leads, but we are going to test it tomorrow or the day after. So I will be making videos every day documenting kind of our journey and what we do and spreading awareness of what we do. So this is how we are testing it right now. The AI is going to send an SMS. Hello, I'm Sarah, an AI language model made by Rosich Realty. I noticed a listing indicates you might be interested in selling a property. Is that the case? If you are considering this, I would be more than willing to assist you in this process. And in the first case, we just said yes, I'm willing to sell. It doesn't matter. So this is the simplest case. The customer or the seller is just going to sell. That's great to hear. Could you please provide me with property details? Specifically, I would like to ask about roofing, plumbing, electrical, price, etc. So this is a simple case. Now let's see how AI can handle a bit more complex real-world cases. The same introduction message. I'm Sarah. Do you want to sell? I will sell it after my father dies. That's understandable. I'm sorry to hear about your father. When the time comes, would you like assistance with selling the property? So the AI is going to actually adapt to any kind of situation we can throw at it. And it's going to adapt probably, I would say, like 95 to 99% of the human skill level. The difference is that AI is a lot cheaper, and you can have like 1,000 AIs at the same time messaging concurrently. You cannot have 1,000, or it would be very expensive to have 1,000 agents. Let's see a bit more like crazy cases. So in this case, for example, if seller gets the message and he answers, "How did you get my number? I apologize if it seemed intrusive. We received your contact information through our marketing efforts." But these are not like, we did not predefine any of these kind of responses. We have a general AI that can answer to any response, that answers to any response. With 95 to 99, like this is, I don't have data yet, but from my kind of, I'm going to get data, but from my kind of like intuition, or the way we've been testing it, it can answer pretty similarly to a human agent. So how did you get my number? This is we did not like tell anything, even indicate anything how to answer to this. This is just one same general AI that answers to any question. Okay, I will sell only if we run off and get married. That's lovely sentiment. However, before we carried away, let's focus on your property. Could you please provide me with some information? So you get the idea. Let's see the next one. So to continue this conversation, if we run off and get married, this is that message that I was reading just now, and then I don't want to sell. That's all right. If you have any other properties you'd like to sell, please let me know. I'm here to assist you with any real estate needs you may have. So this AI can generally answer to anything. We did not predefine any of these kind of answers or situations. And now let's see like a kind of good seller. So the first message comes, "I'm interested in selling." Then it's gonna ask for like property, roof, electrical, plumbing, etc. And then the seller says, the property I'm selling is in excellent condition. The roof, electrical, plumbing, everything is good. And then the AI says, thank you for the information. I will pass this information to our agent and we will contact you soon. Thank you. So this is what we are building. We will start testing with actual real leads in like a day or two, three. We are going to start working with probably wholesalers for now. We are going to probably look for leads that are in hurry to sell. Those could be like easiest to start off with to test everything. And then we're gonna gradually expand and build out our product. I will leave this BotPress bot template in my Discord server. Let me show you. Download this BotPress bot on my Discord, link in the description. We are building the biggest real estate AI automation community on the internet. Join our Discord. And at the end, I just wanna, maybe I should have said this earlier, but just to say like who I am and who my colleague is. So there's two of us who are creating this. I'm an AI and software engineer, and my colleague is real estate and sales expert. And we are creating this kind of business startup to help real estate agents and generally like to automate as much as possible real estate kind of market. So you can join our community and maybe you can grow with us, learn how to either use these tools, create these tools, or if you are a real estate agent, how to incorporate these tools into your workflows and stuff. So if you have any questions, comment below, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.